Charles Darwin was one of, if not the most important scientist of the 19th century. Darwin is responsible for many important discoveries and theories, most notably his ideas on the topics of evolution and natural selection. Some of the most impactful evidence for Darwin's theories was collected by himself whilst on the very remote islands of the Galapagos. Darwin studied the islands in 1835 whilst on a 5-year scientific voyage aboard the HMS Beagle from England to South America. Once Darwin arrived, he was very intrigued by the animals on the island. Darwin observed that animals from different islands had various differing characteristics from one another, whilst also seeming to be of the same general species. After making this observation with many different species, Darwin came to the conclusion that these animals' differing characteristics from island to island were adaptations of the organism to better suit it for its environment, and that animals with the most favorable adaptations were more likely to survive and procreate, thus pass the adaptation on to new generations. Based off of this fundamental idea, Darwin created the ideology of natural selection and eventually evolution, which he later detailed in his groundbreaking book, The Origin of Species. Darwin's study of the Galapagos was the catalyst for one of the most impactful scientific theories in history and will forever be one of the world's most important studies.